Mathematics is a universal language. It doesn't matter where you are, in which country do you live, which language do you speak. Mathematics is the same for everybody. Wherever you are, you need math. To rock on, math is life.
Okay, so I just want to quickly go over the difference between categorical data, or some people call it qualitative data, and quantitative data. Categorical sounds like what word class? Categories, and qualitative data sounds like what? A quality that you can measure in something. So for example, if you looked behind you is a parking lot, you might see something like red cars. You can count the number of red cars with a, what am I drawing? A bar chart or a bar graph, okay? Maybe there are 0 yellow cars. How do you know the difference between the two? Between the two, you cannot average qualitative data. Yes, you can count the number of red cars, but you would not take the average of red and yellow. You can't even add them. Does that make sense? So I'm going to show you guys probably in about 15 minutes how to create, if your data that you have is categorical or qualitative, how to graph that on your RStudio closet. The other side is quantitative data. Sounds like quantity or counting. Now pay attention, that basically means your two variables are numbers. X and the Y is a number. So for example, maybe you have hours studied and what is your GPA? It'll look like a dot, bunch of dots scattered around, and then you can put a line of best fit. That's what I showed you guys with calories burned and total number of steps. So that would be appropriate to get a scatter plot. If you don't have data that is quantitative and you have qualitative data and you try to put a scatter plot, it won't work. Okay, so that's why I'm going to point out the two of those. Okay, so in summary, categorical bar graph, X is a category, Y is a number, but yours is quantitative. You'll do a scatter plot if you have X and Y are both numbers. And then you'll do a time plot if you have dates, but Y is a number.
M to the A to the T to the H. Math is awesome. Mr. Ng's videos teach you a lot about math and to show your work, because if you don't show your work, then that's cheating, and we don't do cheating.